Hello and welcome all. So today's topic is shape and space, and this topic is included in class 1 CBSE board syllabus. So without wasting a time, let's get started, and this vlog is divided into two parts. So in this part I'll explain you about different type of shapes, its examples as well as its properties, whereas in my concluding part I would cover worksheet related to this topic. Okay, so let's start. So first is a square. Now, what is a square? A square has four sides, as we all can see in this, okay, and they are of equal length. Now, example of a square is carom board. So in a carom board, all the four sides are of equal length. Then lunchbox is also an example of a square. Then second is rectangle. Now in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, as we all can see. If we measure this with the help of a scale, we will find these two sides measurement is equal and opposite side measurement is equal. Example can be book or photo frame. Then comes a triangle. In a triangle there are three sides, okay. Example is wall clock. We must have seen wall clock, that is of this shape, triangle shape, okay. Then sandwich is also an example of triangle. Then comes circle. In a circle there are no sides, it is a closed curve, okay. Example can be clock, plate, coin of like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. So these are all examples of circle, okay. Then comes star, and very good example is stars in the sky, okay. Then after this come properties of these shapes. So here I have made the division, like first, instead of writing square, rectangle, triangle, circle, I have drawn the shape, like first is square, then rectangle, then triangle, and then circle. Clear? And I have divided this in 4 columns. Okay, now first property is sides. So if anybody asks you in a square there are how many sides, so there are 4 sides, like 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 sides in a square, okay. Now comes rectangle. In a rectangle there are also 4 sides, 1 2 3 4. There are 4 sides. Then comes a triangle. In a triangle there are how many sides? 1 2 3. Means in a triangle there are 3 sides. Then comes circle. In a circle there are no sides. Please keep this in your mind, okay. This is a closed curve. Clear? Then next property is equality. Now in a square all the 4 sides are of equal length. If you measure this square with the help of scale, you will find measurement same. Like for example, if the length of first side is 3 centimeter, then 3 3 3 3 means all the 4 sides are equal in a square. Then comes rectangle. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal and 2 sides are longer than the other 2 sides. It means if this is 5 centimeter, this is also 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. It means opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Then comes triangle. Now it can be of equal or unequal length, like all the 3 sides can be equal, or 2 sides can be equal, or all the 3 sides are of unequal length. For example, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Clear? Then comes circle. Now in a circle there are no sides, means no equality. Clear? Because this is a closed curve. Then after that comes corners. So remember this, in a square there are 4 sides, means 4 sides, 4 corners, 1 2 3 4. In a rectangle 4 sides means it has 4 corners, 1 2 3 4. And in a triangle there are 3 sides, it means 3 corners, 1 2 and 3. Then comes circle. In a circle no sides, no equality, means no corners as well. Clear? Now children, what is your homework? You will draw all the shapes on a piece of paper and then you will write at least 2 examples of each. Like first you will draw a square and you will write 2 examples of a square. Clear? So I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.